Hello guys, welcome back to February's Chick channel. So today I'm going to unbox the Deerma vacuum cleaner. So let's see. Oh wow, it's white color. Look at this. It's modern technology. It has guarantee, yes. And this one is the how to use, or we call instructions. What else inside? That's it. The serial number. Oh, it's nice. It's handy. The design is very simple. Wait, guys, do you know what? When you open the package, you have to use alcohol because now it's still pandemic, right? So, must be very careful. Guys, this one is very light. It's not heavy. Yeah. And then the wire is okay. And look at the plug, it has protection too. And the dust box, as you can see, cool. I think it's durable. Right. It's high quality plastic. If you see a lot of dust, you can throw it in the bin. But I think this one you cannot wash it in water. Guys, when you return the dust box, make sure that you put it properly. As you can see that one, yes, like that. And then press it. Guys, check the wire. Okay, you have to return the dust box. Okay, and then after that, let's try. It's good. Easy glide, guys. And it's not hot at all. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's try to clean the bolster pillow. The vacuum, guys, it has UV. It can kill the invisible contaminants and dust mites and even virus. Look. It's very easy to use. The UV will kill the contaminants. Can you see the blue light under? Yes, that one can kill the invisible contaminants. All the dust also will collect and keep it in the dust box. It's handy. Guys, it's very easy to use. I'm happy using this. Cool. I want to check again. Oh, it has a little bit of dust already inside. Okay. So, very strong. Once it's turned on, that's it. UV here. So you see the light coming out. The dust mites and other invisible contaminants cause health problems, right? So it's better to wash your bed sheets, of course, at least twice a month, okay? But of course, just like what I've said, you have to vacuum your bed at least once a week. Yeah, once a week. That's the best. Guys, Deerma vacuum cleaner. You just press this one. That's it, and you can use already. And it's very strong, okay? The dust mite can cause health problems. The UV can kill the contaminants or the bed bugs or other pollutants. Guys, if you're already done vacuuming your bed, don't forget to clean this one, okay? But before you take this one out, make sure that you unplug first because it's very dangerous. Of course, it's electricity, okay? So you better unplug and then you have to just press a little bit here, okay? This one is Deerma bed vacuum cleaner. So it's very easy to take it out the box. Okay, just do like this, press it, and that's it. Yes, this one is the filter. As you can see, inside already have dust, as you can see that one. Yeah, but anyway, not a lot because as you can see, just a little bit here. Okay, you see the white color here? Just a bit because I just changed the bed sheets and yeah, and it's still very clean. But I tried to vacuum it because, you know, to kill the invisible contaminants in the bed. Okay guys, I hope you like the review of Deerma bed vacuum cleaner. So if you have any comments, please don't forget to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe if it's helpful. Alright, so that's it. And again, when you return it, just return like this. Okay, so okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video.